In this video, we're going to take the Whill C1 on a test drive in the hallway on Carnival Horizon. You're going to want to watch the elevator at the end. My wife's riding on her Whill C1. The camera is mounted on her head. It's a little GoPro clone. And so you'll see her come out of our cabin on the Carnival Horizon. And we're going to run an obstacle course, because one of the big challenges on most cruise ships with a scooter or a wheelchair is the cart that gets left in the hall. So this hallway, as we go down, she stopped to chat with these folks for a second. So as we go down this hallway, you're going to get a sense of how fast the Whill C1 can move, and you're going to see it negotiate some of the challenges that happen along the way. Now this Whill C1 was provided courtesy of Scootaround, and it is now the go-to recommendation for myself when I book passengers on cruises that need a mobility device. This device had so many features, and it was so amazing in operation. So we're going to go around the vacuum cleaner. We're not going to move it. We're just going to go around it. We're going to go around the cart and the linen cart. And this guy's kind of hurrying back because he's worried we're not going to be able to get through here. And in reality, we can get through without a problem. My wife will speed up. Now you'll see her hit some bumps pretty hard because she is flying down this hallway. I'm pretty sure she got airborne a couple of times as she was going. But like I said, we were so impressed with this device and the way it worked. Now we got a real challenge coming up, because here's one of those carts with linen on it, but it sends off the edge of the cart. So we'll see what happens. Now she is going to jog over just a little bit to get by it. But she got by it, by the regular cart. And now back into high gear as she takes off down the hallway. Like I said, at the end of this video, you're going to see what happens in the elevator. She's going to take the scooter in the elevator with the camera on and show you something that's pretty interesting. Do me a favor, if you find the content interesting, go ahead and hit the like button. That way YouTube will share it with other people. So we got one more cart in the hallway, so we're going to go up past it, and then you'll see her do something else that's kind of interesting with it. We're actually going down to the cabin that our friend of ours are staying in, and then she's going to come back. That's our friend's cabin. And you'll notice that she did basically a 180 with no backing up or anything in the hallway, not in a doorway. You can see me standing down there watching her to see where she's going and what she's doing. We're headed for the elevator now. As I said, you're going to want to watch and see what happens in the elevator. This is the Carnival Horizon. It has one of the newer style of elevators where the control panel is outside and you have to tell it where you want to go and how many people, and then it'll find a car for you. And the elevators are in reality pretty small, and you'll see that as Cheryl gets into the elevator here in just a minute. So I told her she needs car R, so we're going to run down here, and she's going to go into car R. And you can see the camera mounted on her head. I just told her I was going to meet her downstairs, so she's going to go in And again, we're going in an elevator into what is a very small elevator car. The video is going to get small as she exits the car. You'll see an arrow pointing at my face. If your subscribe button is red, it's urgent that you touch my face and make it change colors. And the other box has interesting videos.